Residents of Ladysmith in KwaZulu-Natal have called for urgent infrastructure upgrades to prevent flooding in their town. It comes after a part of the CBD was flooded on Monday due to torrential rain, which caused the Klip River to overflow. Take a look at this report filed by Karinda Jagmohan.
On the surface, business continues as usual in Ladysmith, but the waist-deep floodwater of January still haunts the community. Tembi Modise's family were among dozens rescued by boat from her home. She spent several nights at a disaster management facility.
Sabuya endlini ke sathola sekumoshakele kakhulu endlini because ifurniture yonke yayimoshakele, imbhedi, imanzi, nje yonke into kahle kahle yayimoshakele. Yeah, until ke safika saklina ke nje until manje.
The town is still recovering from the January floods, but there's been more bouts of torrential rain leading to localized flooding, as recent as this weekend, when residents feared they'd see further destruction caused by flooding once again.
January was worse. Was big mess. Water was inside all over you. You can check those places. Until now, still cleaning up. We never finished to clean up. Everything was inside.
In the neighboring village of Peacetown, where residents use boreholes for water, at least 30 houses were damaged.
Indlu iphekuka indlu lapho nganginengane phakathi ezu3 nogogo. Sathi ngiphuthuma ingane lokho kwaphuthuma enye ingane bavakala ngaphansi kuye engubeni ugogo ingubo. Lapho lo mzuzu lo kwakuna imvula enkulu liduma linesangqotho. Wahamba lonke uphahla saphuma ngemvula ina sangale emkhukhweni ongemuva.
Residents, frightened by their January experience, are prepped for disaster management and want government to ensure their safety from the increasingly inclement weather.
Bengathanda nje mangathola ongangisiza ukuthi angikwazi ukubuyisela uphahla lolwendlu ngibuyele nabantwana endlini ungahlali nawe emkhukhwini ngoba ngazi mhlambe ngenzeka futhi imvula futhi ibuye ngimawala ngisahlizi nabantwana emkhukhwini.
Consultants which analyzed the January flooding have recommended infrastructure solutions to the Alfred Duma local municipality. They say more water catchment dams are needed here, while an immediate solution is to install mechanisms to prevent the Klip River from spilling into the town that lies below it.
Each valve cost plus or minus $1 million. So we have budgeted for 6. But we will buy 3 even before the start of the new financial year.
More relief aid is expected to be sent to Peacetown. But until the larger promise of infrastructure development is realized, residents still fear the impact of the next storm.
They've been promising us we'd come up with a plan with 20 today. And the water still coming. Once the rain starts raining, you start having fear now.
For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Karinda Jagmohan in Ladysmith.